This video, I'll be going over GetResponse and the ins and outs. Is it good or is it bad? Let's find out. Whoop! Just a reminder to check out the first link in my bio because I show you the fastest and easiest way to make money online. There are literally thousands taking advantage of this system and many are earning their first commissions faster than I have ever seen before. Make sure to check it out. What's going on, guys? Welcome. This is going to be a review on GetResponse. GetResponse is an email automation software I personally love and use. I've used quite a few email autoresponders in my life, and this is one of my favorite ones. So, but before I even want to show you what GetResponse is, I want to show you a little bit about why email autoresponders are even good. So let's see here. All right, we'll do that one. So email autoresponder, right? What is it? Why is it so valuable? So if you don't know, email automation or emails in general have a huge ROI. ROI just means return on investment. So since forever, emails have always done well at getting leads, making sure that people know, like, and trust you and your brand, and then also getting conversions or sales. And so what happens normally when someone goes to your site, let's say a normal website, right? We'll say normal website. A lot of people come to it, they look around, they're not really sure what's going on, and then you just lose them and you never see them again. And the problem with that is like I said, it takes 7 or 8 touch points usually for someone to actually make a purchase. So if they're going to a website and just leaving, that's only one touch point, right? That's why it's so awesome to have a funnel, because you can get their opt-in, which means their email, right? So you basically want to give them something for free, or it's something called a lead magnet to get their email. So you want to get the lead, and you usually have to trade something valuable for that. And when you get their email, this is where the email autoresponder comes in, because normally they see the sales page, just say sales, and only maybe 1 to 5% of people who go straight from the email to the sales page purchase. Something very little, and then you make money, right? So if only 1 to 5% people purchase, what happens to all these people that put in their email? Well, here's the email autoresponder right here. When you get the email, now you can start sending them emails automatically, whether it's every day or every other day, building that know, like, and trust. Trust, okay? These are the factors for someone to buy. And then you can get all these touch points, constantly offering them value. And what Gary Vee, if you know who Gary Vee is, he always says jab, 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 uppercut. So it's like value, something that you can promote to them. Long story short, this whole process helps you to get more conversions because you can send them back to the sales page. So this is GetResponse. I'll have a link down below. You can check it out. This is an amazing software. It's very simplistic compared to many that I've used, but basically what this is for, it's for online marketers, entrepreneurs, marketing managers, and mid and large companies to manage all the emails, right? So what it's important for is you can generate leads, sell knowledge, engage customers, work from home, boost online sales. So that's pretty much what it's all about, okay? You can actually, with the link down below, you can sign up for free. It doesn't even cost anything. I think up to 500 emails. So you can just sign up for free, take a look around and tinker around with it. But I'm going to log in right here and just see. Let's see if it even lets me log in. All right, so we're logging in. You can kind of see there's a lot of crazy stuff going on. So I need you to kind of pay attention so that we can focus, right? When you get into this main area, it kind of looks like there's a lot going on. I don't really know what's going on, but it's really not as difficult as you think. So to make, what we really have here is email autoresponders is the thing that we're mainly going to use. And on here, you can start setting up your own email lists and everything. So you can make a list like I have a few of them right here, right? And each list has different emails. So this is one list and it says the first email, and I give them a free ebook. And you can see like how many people it got delivered to, how many people opened it, how many people clicked on the ebook. So it gives you a lot of statistics, right? And so what you can do is move this. You can create Autoresponder. And I can make another video to kind of go more in depth, but you just want to name the email. You want to make sure what list it goes to of people. You can select what day it goes to them. So if you want them to get it right away, you leave it at 0. If you want them to get it in 2 days, you put 2 on there. This is where you can put, where, the from on the email, and if they need to reply, they can reply to that. And this is where you put the subject line. The subject line is actually the most important part because it's like the attention grabber. And then you design the message. Now there's templates on here so that you can just completely use. So you can just grab a template right here, right there, and start plugging in your information. So that's really neat. I mean, a lot of it's already kind of done for you. You just have to plug and play, which is kind of the nice part. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, is like what I always say. So that's basically all of it. You can, when you finish, you can literally test it and send it to yourself. And then you can save and publish, and it's literally active. So when people put in their email address, automatically this will start to go to them. So this is the main part of it. Some other cool things is you can start to create funnels on here. I will say this, as much as I love GetResponse, the funnel builders are not the best, and I wouldn't get this purely for funnel builders. But if you don't have money and you don't have tons of money for a funnel builder, this is a good third option. So you can create landing pages on here. And then there's a lot of templates, so you can start, if you want to like get leads, you want to you can say what you want to do with it. Sign up, promotion, downloads, sales, about me, webinars, videos, thank you pages. And you just click it. So you can do this one. It kind of shows you what's up with it, and you can change that image. You can change anything you want about it, but it's nice to have some place to start for sure. So that's one good thing that is about this as well. And so there's a few other things that like I don't really use yet, like webinars. I don't do anything like that, but just the email autoresponder part and the landing page part is just really beneficial to me in my business from what I've used now. Like I said, you can actually, for example, edit these widgets. You can remove this. You can add widgets. Like you can go right here and say, okay, I want to see my list size. I want to see how many contacts were added today. So there's so much customization that you can do on here to make it like your own, right? You can check out your funnels on there and report on that. And so you can make it very customizable. As you can see, like for a little while, I was using it to give away my free ebook, and it was just my headline up there, my ebook right there, my name and email. And they would click free download, and then they would get the email sent, or they would get the ebook sent to them. So obviously GetResponse is my favorite email autoresponder. And so I would definitely check out the link down below. It's free. You don't even have to put a credit card in to start. I will do a couple more videos on GetResponse just to kind of answer some of the questions that I usually get. But other than that, I hope that this helped out some. I hope that you got some clarity about what GetResponse is, why it's good. And again, you can kind of see the entire process of why email marketing is so powerful. You can increase this 1 to 5% to maybe 20 or 25% just by having, maybe 20 or 25 emails ready to go. Now, I do want to give you guys a bonus. I have a document that has like 10 or 15 emails already done for you in 10 different niches. So there's like golf, there's make money online, there's health, there's wealth. And so if you sign up with my link, just send me a message on Instagram that you just signed up for GetResponse, and I will send you that list of pre-written emails that you can use in your business. So hopefully that helps out. I want to make sure that you guys are taken care of. Tinker around with this program. It's really good, and I think you'll like it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm always here to help out, answer questions. Leave a comment down below if you made it this far. I want to know who actually makes it to the ends of my videos, because I know probably a lot don't. So If you make it to the end of this video, put GetResponse in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.